So this video is going to be real quick. I just thought there might be a couple people interested in hearing the intense, periodically spaced noise that this antenna is picking up from the ground. And I was going to tune across the 80 meter band and show you that those signals dominate, but they don't tonight. Man, there's some strong signals on here, man. So I'm gonna make this real quick. A convenient way to show this is to just pause the band scope and let's listen and see what some of those louder signals are. Okay. That's one of them.
Nothing to hurry, but I got all Lucy's projects are done now, so now to clean up and
I'm going to pause this and jump up 100 kilohertz. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to take a snapshot here with my band scope and we'll check these signals out and see what they are. Man, now that's pretty strong. It's a S4. It just sounds hideous, man. Just hideous. God. And notably, I don't pick anything like that up on a normal antenna, that's suspended more than a couple inches.
get on pause bus. Eyes toward black people and white people. Catching them down money laundering. Along with John Kerry. I know for a fact that they're in agreement with all this badness going away. This is just a bunch of millennials that
Your usual 80 meter evening, people discussing world events. On a serious note, how wonderful is that to be able to talk to your actual neighbors instead of watching cable propaganda or broadcast propaganda for that matter. Anyway, that's a quick look. I expected nothing but regularly spaced that nasty noise signal, but yeah, there's some strong 80 meter signals, man.
I guess I got lost in the Culvers the other day, and then they brought up the food.
Oh, what nice audio. This receiver has just ungodly good audio. Let's open it up to 4K.
There wasn't anybody. The only people in Culvers was behind the counter, and we put in our order and got out of there real quick. So that's the only restaurant I've been in since, oh my gosh, whatever, before this started.
This phone camera does not do this receiver's audio any justice. And this phone does not do any justice for my speaker either. And I think I've showed this before, but I'm going to show it again. It's a reclaimed subwoofer. It's the box from the subwoofer component of a PC speaker set. And it's got about a, 5-inch diameter, maybe. Yeah, 5-inch diameter driver in it with a monster magnet, and man, that thing makes some bass, man. That thing sounds astounding. Check out the QSL card. Kilo Tango 3, Lima Zulu Yankee. Fred, thanks for the card, man. You should be getting mine any day. 73.